Okay, so I have here 52 inches flat screen television from StarTime. It's an inbuilt StarTime flat screen television. So it's LED digital TV. Here is the model, power source, working source, power consumption 75 watt. So you have here the AC in where you are going to power your flat screen. And then you have the USB. You can connect to USB. Then you have the Corsair, where you are going to connect any cable to external speaker. And then you have the earphone over there, 2 HDMI ports. And then we have the RF in, LMB in, and then a smart card port, and then AV. So the RF in is where you are going to connect your antenna cable for the digital channels. If you want digital channel, then you connect your antenna cable here. Then for the satellite, you connect your LMB cable here. So here's where you are going to insert your card, StarTime card. And then you insert your AV cables. So if you are going to use AV TV as well, then you join your antenna cable here. HDMI for quality pictures. You join your HDMI cable. Port 2. You can fill it up. The other port. Then you connect your cable to any external speaker that you want to use. If you want to use an external speaker, then you connect it here. And then earphone. Connect it here, or you can use this phono cable to connect to an external speaker. So you can use phono cable like this. And then you connect your USB. That's it here. Then you need to power it with your AC cable. Okay, so have in mind that if you are going to buy this StarTime decoder, flat screen with inbuilt decoder, you are not going to get any different satellite television on it, unless or only StarTime channels. So have in mind.